All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, we're on to part two. If I give you guys a little close up here, yeah, we've removed that little protector, and now that exposes. Now I'm gonna actually go ahead and remove that center screw. And that will allow us to take the arm right off of the bottom bracket. Yeah, see, there's a healthy amount of anti-seize on there, guys, and always I recommend you using anti-seize. There we go. Okay, we're gonna undo the final screw on the back, which is actually one of these guys here in the front, but it's reversed, holding the spider ring, the chain ring to the arm. So without further ado, let's undo that. And we should be able to already even take the chain off, but I'm just kind of curious what's gonna happen, and I'm keeping the chain on so far. And guys, now that I look at it, I believe I'm missing my bracket removal tool, and that's what I'm gonna fetch now. So, okay, so that's now separated. Yeah, that's now separated away from the chain ring. See, now we're just gonna grab the rest of these guys out, and you gotta hold, guys, you gotta hold. Remember these screws? One of them was a real pain. You gotta hold it a little bit from the back, because they're those like one-sided screws. So there's nothing holding it in the back. Oop, there's the male. There's the females are now falling out. So I got three. Oop, second female just fell out. Right, and all right. So yeah, you definitely want to hold on to the back of these. There's only 4 of them. And there we go. So that's the 4th male and female on the back. Okay. And yeah, see, off comes your chain ring, guys. So those are the 4 male and female chain ring screws. And yeah, as you guys can see, this is a brand new chain ring. Probably replaced 3-4 months ago. See, it's already got a little grime in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little soap and water maintenance on this thing today. Wash it out real nice and just clean it, make sure it's nice. But yeah, it's basically a brand new chain ring that we put on, what, 3-4 months ago. All right, so we're gonna put all our parts there, guys. Now, to remove the arm off the bottom bracket, yeah, you can't really pull on with anything. It's best not to. So guys, it's best to get a proper bottom bracket arm removing tool, which as I got, and I completely forgot to put it into our tool set there. But anyways, guys, so with this segment, while I go to find the bottom bracket tool, it'll take me a few minutes. So yeah, guys, we've just just to give you an update, we've just removed the chain ring. We're gonna give it a good wash. Here are the four female screws. We're gonna put some anti-seize on all of this stuff. This is the main screw that holds the pedal to the bottom bracket. So we got that off, guys. So yeah, we're in good shape here. So let me go quickly fetch. And we got, of course, our hands dirty. Now, guys, I don't like to work with gloves. They just kind of get in the way. I'm very old school, so I don't know. Forgive me for having dirty hands while I work on my bike, but that's how I was. That's how I was raised. Working on your bike and getting your hands a little dirty. Anyways, guys, so yeah, we'll leave it at there. I'm gonna go get the old bottom bracket removal tool, and we'll see you when we get back. Thank you. Hasta la ciao ciao. Bye for now. Over and out from Jungle's Harry's Garage.